Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add a downloadable file to Wix. First, open your Wix website editor and add a text here. After adding a text, click on the text, then choose Edit Text. And here click the link icon here and choose Document. And choose File. And here you will upload media such as zip file or PDF file format. Then click the upload media. And as you can see here, we can choose from Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, or Dropbox. But right now, I'm going to choose computer and upload from my computer. And I will choose the file to be downloaded and click open. Then choose that file and click add to page. Then once done, click this button done. Then I'm going to preview the page. When someone click this text, click download, it will be downloaded to your computer. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this video.